Guys, I did something that I never do. Look, you know we never eat breakfast, but I decided we should try something new. So, 6 eggs, spinach, and cream cheese, sourdough. Do you think I can finish it? Comment below. We all want to know. And I wanted to tell you guys, it's Tuesday. Tips and tricks, ladies and gentlemen, I guess. I'm missing an earring. Now, it's my favorite earring, but favorite earring. Look at this. It's gone. The other one. This is your tip, ladies. Buy cheap earrings. Tips and tricks Tuesday. ABC store, Honolulu, or anywhere in Hawaii, when you guys go, buy like 30 of these. They're hella cheap. And if you lose them, you just get a freshie out. All right, it's cold. Going back to bed. You guys want to see my setup? Ta-da! Yep. It's cold out here in the bay. Who's outside right now? Comment below. We all want to know. Is it cold? Wow, don't you guys love the Bay Area birds? All right. I don't want to keep you guys too long. And yeah, it's cold, but I want some fresh air. We'll leave it open. Okay, now back to what I was doing. For some reason I like my bedroom door closed. I don't know why. Makes me feel, I don't spill my food. Makes me feel safe and secure. Why? Weird, I know. Ow, do you guys like my art? And guess what we're watching? I don't know how we almost got to 3 minutes. Don't laugh at my hair, you guys. It's going gray. I haven't put the hair dye back on it. Should I do it? What do you guys want me to do? We're growing it long. First time ever. I want to have long old lady hair. Comment below if you do. And tell me your tips and tricks. Because I definitely want to know. Oh. All right, breakfast. Breakfast in bed. Who enjoys breakfast in bed? We definitely all want to know. And I gotta go, guys. I was watching Kill Tony. Somehow got turned off.